Here's what you need to know. Tron brings a unique element to the cryptocurrency market since it's designed to be used in the gaming and gambling industries with the aim of expanding blockchain-based games with features of legal gambling since online casinos seem to be all the rage these days. As one of the more recent cryptocurrencies, Tron has a bright future ahead of it. So if you're considering investing, you need to ask yourself a few questions. Here's some stuff about Tron that you should know about. What's Tron? Tron is a blockchain-based operating system like Windows or macOS that allows you to develop decentralized apps and share digital assets. Tron uses the TRX token to give its users access to their operating system. Even though the main purpose of the token is to be used on the Tron network, it can still be traded on exchanges like any other cryptocurrency. Similar to Ethereum, Tron uses smart contracts that are stored on its own blockchain to help decentralized application developers in creating and implementing sophisticated protocols. The network's processing speeds and dynamic CEO are what give it its identity initially. The Tron network has a maximum speed of 2,000 transactions per second, but the best part is that there are no transaction fees. You can transfer millions of dollars all around the world without having to spend a single dime. When Justin Sun first founded the Tron Foundation, it was a non-profit organization with the goal of outperforming other cryptocurrencies in terms of accessibility and decentralization. Tron makes it simple and affordable for producers of digital content to distribute that material to audiences. Tron operates much like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Decentralization is handled differently though. Tron seeks to replace content middlemen like YouTube, while some cryptos aim to replace other types of middlemen to bring down costs to either zero or close to zero. Since there won't be any middlemen, you can get whatever content you're looking for straight from the source without paying any type of fee. Yes, that means it'll be free. Instead of having a middleman take a portion of their whole payout, the creators will be able to get a larger payout and reach a wider audience. Tron isn't a cryptocurrency by itself, but it's driven by its native coin TRX. Tron launched with a massive initial coin offering, raising over $70 million at a time when each TRX token had a market worth of about 0.0019 cents on the dollar. The Tron Foundation received a huge boost on its initial launch as a byproduct of investors being able to exchange their other tokens for TRX. And let's not forget that Tron had also bought BitTorrent at the time of its initial launch, giving it a massive push into the entertainment sector and ultimately leading to the largest file sharing platform used today. Overall, Tron's main objective is to provide content creators access to free and simple online content and storage while letting them have more power and control, rather than having limited ownership choices with big platforms like YouTube. The platform offers help to a variety of content creators, including writers, journalists, musicians, and artists. Tron is currently ranked 16th among the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap, with a value of around $6.2 billion as we near the end of July 2022. As a currency, Tron has its ups and downs, but that's nothing new in the crypto world. The main problem is that there's a lot of speculation around the coin without any acknowledgement of the fact that the platform is still pushing out new updates to its platform. The Tron white paper actually proposes a very long development schedule, which means the project won't be in its full form anytime soon. So all we can do right now is buy Tron, hold it, and trade it like any other cryptocurrency. Why should you invest in Tron? Tron is a unique decentralized blockchain platform that has a particular emphasis on entertainment. If you become a Tron user, you can create content and share things like movies, photos, posts, and so on. In this instance, the TRX coin is what will give you access to the platform, so you can use its features. The Tron network takes pride in its inexpensive transaction costs, which are one of its most appealing features. This is because bandwidth and energy are the factors that determine transaction costs on Tron. Most of the time, this value is really low, which tends to draw traders and investors to the currency. Tron is known for not just having cheap fees, but also for its awesome speed. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Tron can execute up to 25,000 transactions per second, which is a big deal. Like EOS, Tron uses a DPoS to handle a large number of transactions almost instantly. Delegated proof of stake functions similarly to proof of stake, with the addition of a voting and delegation feature to provide users with an incentive to secure the network with their stake collateral. The Tron Foundation is built with a focus on the entertainment sector as one of its main components. It aspires to make it possible to distribute material over the internet easily and affordably. It makes it easier for both content creators who want to post their work under their own name and for content viewers who are looking for a simple and quick way to find movies, photos, and other types of media. As Tron takes on its full form over the course of the next few years, there are going to be some high chances for the TRX coin price to grow. For instance, CoinCora predicts that by 2024, Tron will trade for $2.5, and it's sitting at 6 cents at the end of July 2022. So the more you invest, the more you'll be cashing out. How to invest in Tron? If you want to get your hands on this token, Tron is available on a majority of cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Kraken. All you have to do is open an account on one of those exchanges and buy Tron using fiat currency. Then choose a wallet and put your coins in it when you've bought them. If you want to invest in TRX, your wallet should preferably support the Tron network. Also, we're talking about crypto wallets here. Investors and traders store their cryptocurrencies in these digital crypto wallets, which are basically small pieces of hardware or, in certain cases, software platforms like apps. If you're a baller and want to invest big sums of cash, it's a smart idea to get a hold of a wallet. Each wallet will contain private keys to which only you will have access, ensuring the security of your thousands or millions of dollars in cryptocurrency. The best course of action in that case is to secure the private keys and add security measures like a PIN number and multi-signature or two-party authentication for the extra layer of security. But keep in mind that since trading in cryptocurrencies is unpredictable, there's always a 50-50 risk of making a profit or losing money, so you should only invest as much money as you're willing to lose. You don't really know what's going to happen in the crypto industry, especially these days when it's in its most volatile state. Considering Tron's recent developments and the ongoing high volatility, it's probably best to keep your investments small in this cryptocurrency. Experienced investors have also only invested a small percentage of their wealth in Tron, keeping most of it in less risky assets like Bitcoin. Maintain your investing discipline despite the rumors and forecasts by buying just what you can potentially afford to lose, rather than being carried away by promises of enormous upswings or becoming a victim of FOMO. Conclusion. You should also be thinking long-term if you're considering investing in something like Tron. Unless you want to dabble in day trading, it's better to consider holding onto your TRX for the long term. As a result, you should expect high-value growth with reduced risk. With such positive predictions for Tron, it would be good to have patience and wait for good returns. Keeping an eye out for patterns and indications is one of the primary crypto trading tactics. The right time to invest can be indicated by certain signs, but even that doesn't always guarantee that a particular crypto is safe to invest in. Nonetheless, market trends can predict how TRX will perform both now and in the future to some extent. In addition to the potential for complicated reporting processes, new rules for cryptocurrencies that are slowly taking effect will likely have an impact on tax obligations. Because of the US decision on digital assets, your profits are now seen as capital gains tax rather than ordinary income tax. The tax laws governing cryptocurrencies depend on the location, and many can be changed to reflect shifting market conditions. With its CEO having lunch with Warren Buffett and the introduction of a new DeFi platform, this project continues to pique the interest and enthusiasm of cryptocurrency users all around the world. It'll be interesting to see what these innovative developers will do in the future. If you're interested in crypto and want to hone your crypto skills, follow the link in the description for our intensive crypto course. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Join the conversation in the comments section below to share your views on Tron.